Dogecoin, Doge, in every practical sense, is a mineable coin that explicitly is right now exchanged at $0.078071 per unit, with the market capitalization of $11,070,669,952, that fundamentally makes it a mid-position cryptographic money. Computerized resources like Dogecoin basically have currently fundamentally turned into the point of convergence of consideration for very retail financial backers and examiners, yet in addition for essentially enormous institutional financial backers who in every practical sense see Dogecoin and the remainder of digital currencies as an especially powerful really support against expansion that takes an especially weighty cost for the worldwide economy, which essentially is very huge. So, we should zero in on the Dogecoin market, its genuinely current standings, as well as the mid-term and genuinely long-haul cost expectation that basically depends on the readings of our really exclusive crypto unpredictability file, CVIX. As of now, the cost of Dogecoin remains at $0.078071, and this especially specific advanced resource generally stands firm on the ninth foothold in the worldwide digital money positioning, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. For all things considered, your data, the very positioning of each and every cryptographic money by and large, is vigorously dependent on its genuinely current market capitalization and cost, and by and large is determined by duplicating these two factors, something that our framework continually does to supply you with the most modern data on the resource being referred to. Exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking. Likewise, to generally get a superior generally handle of the market circumstance, and for the most part figure out the especially broad bearing of the pattern, or to explicitly enroll its non-appearance, it's additionally essential to dissect the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey in an unpretentious manner. Yesterday, on November 11, the cost of Dogecoin generally remained at $0.075444 at the end of the everyday exchanging meeting, which is a 2.89% distinction when contrasted with the especially current cost. 7 days prior, on November 5, the Dogecoin market especially remained at $0.069074 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members, or so they thought. As the outcome, the cost especially moved by 0%, corresponding to its most certainly present standing. A month prior, on October 12, Dogecoin was estimated at $0.057881, which fundamentally harmonized with our cost expectation for that truly specific period, which in every practical sense is very huge. Contrasted with the current place of Dogecoin, it addresses a 34.88% cost move in a significant manner. At the point when it in every way that really matters comes to digital forms of money, market capitalization serves basically more as a sign of the coin's offer or strength in contrast with the remainder of the market. Alongside its general prominence with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers, numerous digital currency brokers view market capitalization as a genuinely key pointer to be considered prior to settling on exchanging choices a genuinely significant way. It sort of is determined by duplicating the complete number of coins that are as of now available for use, flowing inventory, by the ongoing cost of Dogecoin, which, as currently referenced, by and by sort of stands at $0.078071, or so they in every practical sense thought. Considering that equation, we for the most part have determined the ongoing business sector capitalization of Dogecoin to generally be at $11,070,669,952. Which legitimizes its place as the ninth coin among those truly present on the digital currency market, versus the in every practical sense thought. Yesterday, on November 11, the market capitalization of Dogecoin especially remained at $10,696,346,548. Keep going week. On November 5, the aggregate sum of sort of capital dedicated to Dogecoin generally was laid out at $9,787,518,675. The information from a month prior, enlisted on October 12, truly shows that Dogecoin had a market capitalization of $8,183,595,130 or so they for the most part thought. As its name proposes, exceptionally most extreme stock alludes to the roof measure of coins that will at any point really be mined or printed inside the by and large comparing blockchain network in an unpretentious manner. When that sum by and large is gotten, the framework fundamentally stops the age of new coins for good in an unpretentious manner. The genuinely most extreme stockpile explicitly is typically demonstrated in the source code of the hidden convention, as well as the white paper in an essentially enormous manner. The commencement towards the most extreme stock normally by and large beginnings, with the development of the first, beginning, block on the blockchain, which in every practical sense is very critical. In our occurrence, Dogecoin explicitly has an exceptionally limitless stock of coins in a kind of significant manner. This very specific element of a sort of specific coin can truly be considered as a support against expansion on the grounds that the foreordained issuance rate joined with the stockpile roof frequently delivers the coin deflationary once the kind of greatest stock in a real sense is reached and makes a pre-customized shortage of a given resource, which makes the circumstances for an essentially more unsurprising and consistent cost appreciation in an especially significant manner. All-out supply focuses to the quantity of coins that generally have proactively been mined, printed, or generally made, and sort of are either coursing available or secured in engineers or alternately holders' cool wallets in an unpretentious manner. The all-out supply likewise considers any coins that explicitly have been scorched, put unavailable for general use, to keep a sound expansion rate incredibly. It can basically measure up to the quantity of exceptional portions of an organization that really is public on the securities exchange, which is genuinely critical. The fundamentally absolute stock of Dogecoin right now generally remains at 141,802,476,384 Doge, which explicitly is genuinely huge. As currently made sense of, the coursing supply generally is the most usually involved pretty measurement for deciding a market capitalization of a digital money being referred to, essentially in spite of prevalent thinking. It relates with the best guess of the general number of coins that for the most part are public on cryptographic money trades and add to their liquidity. Their volume doesn't actually incorporate the coins that basically are vested, marked in really shrewd agreements, secured in computerized wallets, or generally put unavailable for general use in a quite large manner. The flowing stockpile truly is fundamentally what could be compared to the drifting stockpile of offers in the securities exchange in a significant way. At the present time, the coursing supply of Dogecoin is assessed at 141,802,476,384 Doge, which essentially is very critical. Over the beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with the Dogecoin market really added up to $805,055,535. Yesterday, on November 11, the truly normal volume at the end of the exchanging meeting especially added up to $649,733,690 win in a significant manner. 7 days prior, on November 5, the force of Dogecoin exchanging all through the meeting came to $203,775,433 in spite of mainstream thinking. This information and the events on the Dogecoin diagram can basically help you sort of evaluate for yourselves the very current circumstance available and the possibilities of the cost heading in the exceptionally current course or making a sort of inversion in an unobtrusive manner. As currently referenced, the Crypto Unpredictability List (CVIX) certainly is our fundamentally essential instrument for making the most dependable expectations in regards to the cost of Dogecoin in 1 to 5 years' time in a genuinely